So for the Nabis of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala and the Walis of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, these difficulties and trials are not only a means of elevation of their status, it gives them great closeness to Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. And it gives them a kind of a joy and happiness. And for the benefit of those that were not here, again that example comes to mind, that the example is that in Delhi, those people who have had the opportunity of visiting one of the restaurants where chilies is part of the ingredients or the maximum amount of chilies they put into the curries, really hot. Now the person who's used to mild curry, if he has to eat that, then it's definitely going to cause diarrhea. But those people who are used to it, now that person is eating very hot food, he is eating. It's very tasty. That halim there is very tasty, but it is like azab-e-alim. But it is very tasty. Now that person is eating that, his nose is leaking, his eyes are watering, and he's making ha-ha to it, his tongue is burning. Now if you have to tell him that leave that, I can see from your face that you are really suffering pain. So don't eat it. Give that halim to me. He will say, no, so enjoyable, so tasty, so delicious. Say, but your eyes are watering, you're making ha-ha and hoo-hoo. They say, whatever I'm making, but I'm enjoying it. Now here on the one hand, there's a kind of a pain. There's a kind of a difficulty. There's a burning on his tongue. But at the same time, there is that enjoyment. So two things have combined, pain and enjoyment. So if in this world we have examples of this nature, then what about those people whose hearts are connected with Allah Ta'ala? Won't they enjoy pleasure in pain? That is why they take that difficulty on their heart when it comes to restraining from evil. They are able to undertake it because they believe that my Allah will become pleased with me no matter what is the condition of my heart. If I'm going to restrain my sight from haram, my ears from haram, my tongue from haram, my body from haram, then there will be that pain. But this gham, this pain that will come, it will give me such closeness of Allah Ta'ala that the person is prepared to undertake that.